Welcome back to Flavors with Opal. Hope you all are doing fine. On today's video, I will be making a vegetable stew peas, and I'll be cooking more often recipe now that I've got a new cooker with double oven. Show them, camera girl. I'll be making a lot more recipe for you guys. Yeah, lovely. So I'm gonna just do a quick recap of what I'll be doing. So here I've got my soya chunks. It's soaked for half an hour, and you can season it just like when you're doing beef, right? And then over here I've got a tin of red peas, I've got some coconut milk, I've got some plain flour in there because I'm gonna make like some little roll-up dumplings to put next to it, salt, black pepper, some thyme over here. I've got vegetable stock. Over here is just some garlic granules, and on my chopping board here you can see sweet peppers, spring onion, and hot pepper, and the potato. I meant to have a carrot, but I just realized in the fridge that the carrot is finished. You can put anything you want in this because this is just like a quick meal. You finish your work, college, whatever you have to do, it's an hectic lifestyle, so it's just a quick recipe. So I'm gonna prepare everything, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what I'm doing. Okay, stay with me guys, don't go away. Make yourself a nice coffee or a cup of tea. So welcome back now guys. This soya chunk, I will list everything that I use to season it. You can season it if you want, but remember to soak it, because if you don't soak it, it will burn your stomach. Yes, over here I've got some olive oil in the pot. So what I do, I'm just gonna fry them, put them in the pot here. And when you're cooking them, I'll also put everything the time that you meant to cook it for, because it's more like a vegetable, so you don't have to kill it. And the coconut milk is optional, you don't have to use it. And here is my little dumpling, what we call spinach, and I'm going to use all this red peas. Yes, so I'm just going to leave that for a little while on a low stove, and then when it reaches to the amount of frying that I need, then I'm just going to put everything in there, and then I'll show you. But really and truly, you don't have to fry it if you don't want to, but I want to give it a little, a little looks to it. Now I have put a little browning in it, and this was less than 5 minutes, about 3 minutes, and you get that color. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add all of these bits that I've cut up. Yes, and then I'm going to do some of my little roll-up dumplings like this. Yeah, and I'm going to put some hot water in there, coconut milk, all the seasoning, and then I'll show you everything at the end, yeah? And now remember now to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Guys, this is such amazing smelling here. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Look at my pot bubbling, and that looks lovely. So what I'm doing, I'm just doing a little additional seasoning, like some black pepper, some garlic powder. Yes, smells gorgeous up in here, man. Oh my god. Some of my thyme. Oh, let me open this thing here because it takes so long to come out. Yeah, here you are. And a little, before I put any salt, let's just taste this. Oh wow, this is just very quick and easy. And while you're looking in, guys, tell me in the description or the comments what you want me to cook next for you. It would be nice. But look at this. I'm gonna taste it now. This needs a little bit more salt. It's very nice. You don't miss anything. It's about more half a teaspoon of salt, and like I said, I will list everything for you. So look at that, how lovely it is. So I'm just gonna leave that now to simmer down a bit, and then I will show you when it's done. Wow, so here is the finishing touch of my vegetable stew peas. Wow, it smells amazing. It's so easy, very quick, very nutritional, It's tasty. You should try this. And even if you don't want to use the soya chunks, you don't have to. You can just use the vegetables of your choice. Any vegetable you want, it's up to you. And if you want to make a stew peas and you don't want to do vegetable, you can use meat if you want. But for me, this is what I'm making, and I'm just going to try it now. And this is the lovely soya chunk. Look at this, with the peas and everything, in every single thing inside here is very, very nutritional. Hold on guys, let's taste it. Wow. This is very, very nice. Very, very nice. I'd like you to try this, please, and tell me how you like it. Give me a thumbs up to my video, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I just want to say thank you all guys. I'm gonna have a cup of tea and chill.